Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited to be sharing with you guys my master bathroom extreme transformation. We had our bathroom completely renovated, like gutted, and the after is absolutely amazing. So stick around because I'm going to be revealing that in this video and also giving you guys a tour of the bathroom. So grab your coffee or your tea, sit down, relax, and let's get right into today's video. So here's the bathroom once everything was completely gutted and they had already started cutting into our closet because we had some space in there that I was willing to give up so I could have my double vanity on this side. Thankfully, our master closet still has enough storage in there that we didn't really lose any actual storage space. But that is where the vanity is going. That's where the shower used to be. This is where the vanity used to be, and then over on the other side is where the tub was, which is now where our shower is going to be. So this is what it all looked like once it was gutted. We did decide to cut our linen closet back a little bit, but a lot of what was there before was just wall. It was just bulky wall space taking up the bathroom, so we didn't really lose a lot of storage in there. I still have enough to be able to keep all the necessary things that I want in the linen closet and extra towels and things like that. So this is it. This is once everything was completely taken out of here. Now, our vision for this space was to really have something that we could feel like when we stepped in here, we were in a completely different place. The bathroom is where we spend a lot of time. I love taking my bath, and you just spend so much time in the bathroom that we really wanted to invest in here and be able to enjoy this space. Honestly, just make it feel like it is a completely spa experience. And here you can see the shower, the beginning of the shower, the knee wall that's gone up, the black shower tiles, which were my husband's idea, and I'm completely in love with them. I love that the way that it looks. It's like a very modern kind of feel. And then we have the white tiles coming down the middle as an accent. And we've got our white flooring, which was a last minute decision. We had actually chosen a different floor tile before, and I'm glad that we went with the white. Now you can see that that closet space had been closed up. Here we have got some progress going. It is starting to look like a bathroom. Hi guys, I am standing here in front of my bathroom door, and I am going to share with you guys the final reveal of how the bathroom looks. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen a few little clips and some sneak peeks, but it is finished and I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys today. It was a complete gut job. We did not do it. We had contractors work on it, and the overall result is just absolutely amazing. So let's go. shower and we are completely in love with it. This is actually where the tub used to be, and our shower was on the other side where the vanity is, and we really wanted to have a bigger shower because our shower was teeny tiny, and there was no way we were gonna be able to do that over there. So we decided we wanted to have the shower here and the tub here, and let me just show you guys inside. So this was my husband's splurge, and it was this shower tower that he got off of Amazon. It's got jets, it's got a waterfall feature, it's got everything on it. And so that was his splurge. Mine was the freestanding tub. So we each got something that we really wanted in our bathroom. And as you can see, the black tiles, they look so nice just inside of this shower with our little accent down the middle. I absolutely love how this turned out. It is very modern and sleek. On this side is just our window, which I think is so funny because when I take pictures of the shower, it looks like there's a window inside the shower, and it is just a reflection off of the glass door. But all we did here was just frame it out, add new blinds. That was really it. There's nothing special over here. It is just our toilet. On this side, might add some shelving over here, but that is for a later date. We left our linen closet in the same spot. The only difference was that we cut it down a little bit, and I still have really good storage inside. This is what it looks like right now. Still have to do some organizing in here, but for the most part, I still have storage, so it is still functional. This is the view from where I am standing in the toilet side, and you can see vanity is there. The vanity is where our old shower used to be. Don't mind that. I need to get one more for that, and I actually think I'm gonna change all those light bulbs out. But these were just the ones that I had on hand, and I needed to put lighting there. But this is the vanity that we went with, and we found this one on Amazon, and we really do like it. I love the legs at the bottom. It is so pretty, and I just love all of the fixtures we went with. We decided to go with black fixtures. This actually did not come with the vanity. It came with stainless steel ones, and I found these at Home Depot, and we just went ahead and switched them out. And the faucet fixtures we bought on Amazon also. A lot of what we bought was on Amazon. The mirror came with the vanity, so we just went ahead and put that up. And then also the light fixture. Again, got to put another light bulb there, but ignore that. The light fixture we also bought on Amazon. Was my splurge. The tub, I wanted a freestanding tub, and I absolutely am in love with it. I love how it looks right next to the shower, and it is just really sleek and modern. We went ahead on this back part and did some wainscoting back here, which I think looks really, really pretty. And I do have some shelves that need to go up, so maybe I will do a decorate with me for the bathroom, because there are still a few decoration touches that I have to add. Also, the color on the wall is from Sherwin-Williams. It's called Big Chill, and I love how it looks in here. This is the same one that I have in my bedroom. and I just think that it fits so nicely. So that is the bathroom. We are in love with it, we are enjoying it, and we're really excited that it is finished because it did take quite a while to get done, but we're thrilled with the results. Next thing on our list is actually the kitchen, but it is not going to be done right now just because the shortage on materials and everything. And so we're gonna wait a little bit, but hopefully maybe in a few months we'll be circling back to it and we can get the kitchen done, complete gut job, and get everything done in the kitchen. I am so excited because I'm thrilled with how the bathroom turned out. But that is it, guys. That's our bathroom. I'm in love with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, I will be hopefully very soon doing a decorate with me of this bathroom. I have shelves left, accessories, you know, just bathroom accessories and things that need to get done. So that will be coming up very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! If only I had